Here's your Thriving Thursday Minute from BG Wealth Advisory. I'm Barbara Gullen. Planning for retirement can be overwhelming. While we all would like the road to retirement to be smooth, many of us will encounter bumps in the road like market downturns, inflation, or the loss of a spouse. Don't let unexpected circumstances erase a lifetime of hard work and saving. Work with a trusted fiduciary to help you prepare for the next chapter in your life. Contact us at bgwealthadvisory.com or call us at 913-553-6222 to help you plan for the 8 biggest retirement obstacles. Want to hear more? Listen to the Anchor Your Retirement podcast on our website or your favorite streaming platform.
BG Wealth Advisory, an investment advisor in the state of Kansas. Insurance products and services offered through BG Wealth Management. Content for information purposes only. Not intended to provide any tax or legal advice or provide the basis of financial decisions. Not intended to be a projection of current or future performance or indication of future results. Purchases are subject to suitability. Requires a review of investor's objective, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Investing always involves risk and possible loss of capital.